Hello everybody, we're getting ready to do lesson 6.3 for Algebra 1 Math. Solving linear systems by adding and subtracting, part 1. You want part 2, part 3, email me here. 6.3, solving linear systems by adding and subtracting, part 1. This is the standard here, and we got a 32-point skill sheet for classwork, and we got a 2 points for here for notebook. Okay, here is our bell work for today, teachers. We have, Laura has 415 dimes quarters. She has 3 more dimes and quarters. How many quarters does she have? Give your students 4 minutes to solve that. Okay, welcome back. Our solution here for our bell work, number of dimes, number of quarters. Here is our equation here. Here's our algebra, x equals y plus 3. And then we have a $4.50 total here, 0.1x plus 0.25y equals our total here. And then we multiply our dimes times y plus 3 plus 25y equals 450. And then see, she has 3 more dimes, so she has 3 more dimes and quarters. So we have y plus 3 plus this amount here. So our y is our quarter number here. And then we multiply through here, distributive property. We come up y equals 12. Plug that back in. So she has 12 quarters there. That's how that would be solved. Okay, 6.3, solving linear system by adding and subtracting. You solve linear system by graphing using substitution. You will solve linear systems using elimination. Okay, when solving a linear system, you can sometimes add or subtract equations to obtain a new equation in one variable. This method is called elimination. So, solving a linear system using elimination method, add or subtract the equations to eliminate one variable. Solve the resulting equation for the other variable. Substitute either original equation to find a value of the eliminated variable. Kind of what we did in the last lesson. We were hinting at use addition to eliminate a variable. Here's our 2 equations here. Add the equations to eliminate one variable. So we're going to add these 2. They're going to cancel each other out. And then we have 8y equals 24. And then y will equal 3. So that's one that you're going to eliminate by adding. Substitute 3 for y in the other equation, solve for x. So we're going to substitute 3, and to get 2x plus 9 equals 11. And then we move this over here. Then we solve and get x equals 1. So the solution is 1, 3. That would be how we eliminated by using addition for that. And then we check out, and it checks out here. And then we check in the other one, that checks as well. So this solution is valid for both equations. Okay, solve the linear system. Students, this is yours here. Solve it by using addition. Okay, in ours here we can add our 3 y's together. They'll cancel out. Then we'll have these here to combine. We have 2x equals negative 2, then x equals negative 1. So now we plug that back into the first. 4 times negative 1 minus 3y equals 5. Okay, yeah. We plug it there. And then negative 3y equals 9. Solve for y. And then y equals negative 3. And then here's our solution, negative 1, negative 3. And then here's our check. First equation, yep. Second equation, plug that in for y. Let's see, for x, negative 2 times negative 1. And then it checks as well. Okay, so use subtraction to eliminate a variable. Now we're going to use subtraction. We used linear first time. So how are we going to, we used addition first time. Subtract the equations to eliminate one variable. What are we going to subtract? Well, we can subtract these, can't we? We can. So we're going to subtract this equation. We're going to subtract rather this equation from this equation down here. We'll get negative x equals 4. This becomes positive. 2, if you multiply this through by -1 and then combine, this becomes positive 2, this becomes negative. So negative x equals 4, x equals -4. We plug that back in. Substitute -4 for x in either equation. We're going to put it in the first one here. So 4x plus 3y equals 2. Stick -4 in there. 4 times -4 plus 3y equals 2. What do we get there? We get -16 plus 3y equals 2. We bring this over here. So so it'll be negative, so it'll be positive 18 over here. 3y equals 18, then we get y equals 6. So there is our solution, -4, 6 for that system of equations. We got another guided practice here. Pay attention, students. This one is yours. So solve a linear system. What are we going to do here? By subtraction, choose a pick. We're going to subtract what? We're going to subtract something. We're just going to combine them together. We do that. I think that's what we did. We just added. So 6x minus 3x, positive 3x, and then 14 ones 15. X equals 5. And then we plug that back in to up here. And then we get 30 minus 4y equals 14. Yeah. -4y equals -16. So y equals 4. There's our solution. 5, 4. Okay, that's simple. And then here's our check. Make sure you check when you do yours in your homework and in your classwork. Okay, that's part 1 of lesson 6.3. Or 6.3, 6.4, 6.3. Yes, 6.3. And if you need part 2, part 3, email me here, or worksheets, solution PowerPoints for your skill checks. Those are always nice. Thank you.